Liverpool 2, Aston Villa 0. Finally, the Reds are back on winning ways in the Premier League, and I can't wait to unwrap this game. So, welcome back to my channel, The Marching Reds. मैं हूं अमित चीमा. इस वीडियो में I am going to review the game between Liverpool and Aston Villa played at Anfield, where we saw Liverpool win a game of football in the Premier League after a month and a half or so. So let's start with the playing 11. Uh, Arne Slot reverted back to his trusted 11 of the last season, and because of Alisson's injury, we saw Gorgi Mamadashvili start. In the back four, it was Connor Bradley, Ibu Konate, Van Dijk, and Andy Robertson getting a nod ahead of Milos Kerkez. In the midfield, it was the Premier League winning trio of Gravenberch, McAllister, and Szoboszlai, and that just meant that Florian Wirtz started on the bench. In the attack, we had Cody Gakpo on the left wing, Mohamed Salah on the right wing, and Hugo Ekitike starting as our number 9. काफी इंटरेस्टिंग लाइनअप थी बिकॉज मेरी प्रेडिक्टेड 11 में सिर्फ एक ही चेंज था कि फ्लोरिन वर्ट्स वुड गेट अ स्टार्ट अहेड ऑफ मैकएलिस्टर में भी बट ठीक है Arne Slot chose to go with the familiar side and the one that he had trusted for the last season's triumphs. And I mean, at the end of the day, it worked, so I have no complaints for it. And game शुरुआत होती है पहले ही 5-7 मिनट के अंदर मॉर्गन रॉजर्स hits the woodwork and अच्छी बात ये कि भाई we did not concede early and then you could see that as the game was progressing by, of course Aston Villa had their moments, but Liverpool were looking much more dominant. Liverpool were looking a lot better as what we've been used to seeing, and you could see कि like ठीक है अगर हम लोग एक दो चांसेस जो कि हर एक टीम कंसीड करती है like naturally, उसके अलावा भी we are much more better with the ball, we are much more better without the ball, we are fighting for that second ball, we are fighting for all the duels, and again Anfield played its part. उसके बारे में भी मैं आऊंगा and I'm so happy to see the fact that हर एक फाउल पे हर एक मोमेंट पे like you know Anfield was making sure that you know they are with the team, they are with the manager till the very core, and like मैं सिर्फ एक एलिमेंट में बात करूंगा then we'll go on to the game and then we'll discuss the whole broader picture about it. As soon as the kickoff was about to happen, Anfield was just chanting one word, which was champions, 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 and to come off after this horrific run and get that support back home, knowing कि आप यूनाइटेड के खिलाफ हारे हो at home and all the other games have been result wise so negative only, but we played away, and with all due respect to the fans who traveled to the away stadiums also, we needed a home game in which we could actually use our fans to the levels that we know about. And again, the fact that right before kickoff they said champions, I was like, this is going to be a great game played by the Anfield fans. So that was the first tick mark, and I was genuinely hoping that we reacted in this sort of way, and I tuned in a little earlier than the kickoff so that I can get a vibe of like how Anfield is feeling. And boy, oh boy, were they on it? They definitely were. So kickoff happens. रॉजर्स की चांस की बात कर ली, एक दो चांसेस और थे जहाँ पे मैटी कैश का एक deflected shot जाता है. Mamadashvili has gets like good hands behind it, and उसी के साथ साथ even we started creating chances. एक glittering opportunity आती है Dominic Szoboszlai के पास, like where so basically क्या होता है, Aston Villa is not a team which plays those long balls in, like जैसे आपने काफी पिछले मैचेस में देखा होगा that the opposition tries the same tactic, but they like to play from the back, they like to invite pressure, and आपने शुरू के moments में भी like you know they found success of like beating the Liverpool press and sort of getting the ball forward. तो वहीं पे Dominic Szoboszlai gets onto the ball and then he enters the box. Basically पूरा box खाली था. There was Mohamed Salah on the right side जो कि like you know who was attacking as soon as he saw that we won the ball. Left लेफ्ट साइड पे आई थिंक स्कोर्ड गैक्पो और राकिटिकी, आई डोंट रिमेंबर, बट पॉइंट इज जैसे ही सोबोस्लाई ने बॉल जीती, ही हैड दिस लाइक 3 steps के बाद वन ऑन वन विद द कीपर, अनफॉर्चुनेटली ही जस्ट shot at him, and I was like, just about to get off my chair, but I quickly sat down. So that was a very nice moment because you created that opportunity through your press. But in these moments, in these things, you need to score so that you get that tick early that you scored the first goal of the game. So that didn't happen, and then we saw Hugo Ekitike scoring, but it was offside. Uh, Although I would like to appreciate the celebration he did for that goal, मतलब like जब तक वो VAR check कर रहे थे, I mean you could see just the fact the way he celebrated, not knowing that it was offside, कि भाई it meant so much not only for him but to the team, because he reacted in a way कि यार like too much noise is around us which we don't need to focus on, but you can't do anything else also because you get in a way drawn into those headline making statements. So it मतलब दिख रहा था अंदर से कि यार कि भाई like let's fight for this game, let's fight for all these 3 points and let's fight out this phase. तो थोड़ा सा और फाइट करने की जरूरत पड़ी थी हमें फॉर द फर्स्ट गोल, बिकॉज एज आई सेड वो ऑफसाइड हो गया था, एंड देन वहां पे ठीक है यू कुड से दैट वी वर लकी. Emilio Martinez had the ball for Aston Villa, and they were trying to play out from the back again, and then he passed it straight to Salah, and Salah scored. Salah got the match winner. Spoiler alert, like, yeah. So it was so good to see him go back to the score sheet again and again. Like it's now what 2-2 for the Egyptian king. And मैं बस आपको रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि प्लीज जाके उसकी वो फिनिश देखना. ठीक है, you can say that he gets the ball from the Aston Villa player only, and then he just had this open goal. But the fact that the ball was on his wrong foot, which was the right foot, and he slotted home with his first touch, that was just incredible. I mean, ठीक है लेफ्ट फुट पे होता और वो कर्ल करता या फिर पावर शॉट लेता, आप समझ सकते हो कि हाँ ठीक है लकी है, बट द फैक्ट दैट पूरी बॉडी को क्रॉस करते हुए उसके पास बॉल आई एंड विद इन वन शॉट, और he had to make sure that the defender did not get into the way. He had to make sure that goalkeeper was stranded alone up, like थोड़ा सा up from his goal line, and फिर भी वो गैप ढूंढना incredible. And he was looking much more lively offensively and defensively. Like ठीक है, there were moments where he could have taken that last touch a bit more better, but पहले like there were few moments जहाँ पे उसका जो पहला टच था was so sublime. Like like ठीक है, जैसे क्या होता है जो उनका जो opposition का left back होता है, he has to tuck in tight to him ताकि he does not get space. But they were very like those intricate detailed moments where you could just see that the Anfield crowd behind him, जो like कैमरे के हिसाब से stands पीछे होते हैं, they were getting excited and standing up even when the ball was crossing half length. So you could see that the energy was different. And yes, the midweek rest helped. आप लोगों ने जितनी क्रिटिसिज्म करनी है ऑफ आर्ने स्लॉट्स कैराबाओ कप प्लेइंग 11 करो. I mean, if you give me a performance like this, I would rather take this every day. So Salah had a great game. I don't think anybody else had a poor game, but like yeah. So 1-0, finally get a lead to half time, and then second half शुरू होता है. We are in the ascendancy, and वहां पे जहां पे there was this interesting element that I also noticed. Usually क्या होता है when Gravenberch is playing and McAllister is there with Szoboszlai, you could expect कि भाई double pivot के साथ 6-6 के साथ जो holding midfielders होंगे, Szoboszlai would be the man who would be running the show as the attacking midfielder. But what was happening was there were moments where Gravenberch was able to find those spaces between the Aston Villa lines, and उससे क्या हो रहा था, there was this केमिस्ट्री जो कि पिछले सीजन में हमें बहुत दिखी थी कि भाई कभी मैकलिस्टर डीप जा रहा है, ग्रेवेनबर्ग थोड़ा आगे जा रहा है, ताकि एस्टन विला प्लेयर्स को ये ना समझ आए कि भाई इन दैट पर्टिकुलर फेज who is a more advanced midfielder. And then you could also see Gravenberch score. I mean वो भी एक giveaway ही होता है from Aston Villa. Like Martinez tries to clear his lines, Van Dijk gets the clearance, passes it off to I don't exactly remember, but McAllister gets the ball and then he passes it out to Gravenberch. Gravenberch, who finds his cute little space, takes 3 steps forward, makes sure that he analyzes all the options and then scores. ठीक है, वो भी थोड़ी सी deflection थी, but I'll take it. That was 2-0, and then वहाँ पे of course the first initial reaction was like जब हम लोग मैच जीत रहे थे, we were giving 2-0 leads away, but this time it felt different because we knew that Anfield was behind us, and we'll figure this game out and we'll make sure that there is no unwanted drama, and that's what we did. मतलब ठीक है, we tried to create few more chances, and for that matter Aston Villa also like looked a little threatening in the sense that ऐसे नहीं कोई glittering opportunity थी, but they were able to get behind our line and sort of get in those crosses in the box. और होता यही है कि like जैसे 75-80 minutes पे, you know, when the score line is 2-0, the opposition just needs one chance to score, and then suddenly the game gets alive, and then you never know what's going to happen because nerves play a part, the past form plays a part, then you have to be really those mentality monsters that, like, you know, people have not been calling us lately. So yeah, that was pretty much it, and then we see out the game. Perfect result. We got 2 goals. Like I was saying in my preview that, like, you know, it's very important that we get the first goal. Much more important would be to double it up, and to top it all off, we get the clean sheet. So like ऐसा नहीं है that we played the perfect game. There is definitely room for improvement given the fact that we will be facing a team like Real Madrid in midweek. So, but that's like after 48 hours wali problem. So as of now, good to see 3 points added to Liverpool's tally, and yeah, let's keep this momentum going. Let's build on this winning start, and it's going to be a massive week for us. And lastly, I would like to say that this was the Anfield that I was missing, and the fact that they played a part, they played their part, that was just it. Because guys, ऐसे moments पे ना, like I don't know whether you saw the game or not, if you're a Liverpool fan and if you saw this game, you exactly know what I'm talking about, and you could see that they were right in there with the team, with the manager, and then usually क्या होता है जब मैच खत्म होने वाला होता है, you see those chants about the manager, like Jurgen Klopp के टाइम पे भी जब like जीत रहे थे ending में, मतलब like end of the game में you could see Jurgen Klopp का गाना आना, and then last season also, as soon as like, you know, we knew that we were winning, and Arne Slot का वो आ रहा था, but within the game, when the game was not done by any measure, you could see Liverpool fans singing Arne Slot, la la. Point being that they were showing their support to the manager that, you know, we get it, tough phase है, हम लोग निकलेंगे इसके थ्रू, but we support you in this. So that was again, मतलब थोड़ा सा overwhelmed हो गया था, because जितना मर्जी I can say here, but the fact that I am sort of in sync with like what people in the stadium are feeling, it's a good feeling to have, and the fact that it got somehow transcended, that was amazing. So Real Madrid up next, and sorry, एक चीज रह गई थी गेम की, which was कि we only made one substitution. We saw Hugo Ekitike come off of Florian Wirtz, who looked a lot better, and that was again another positive sign. So देखते हैं रियल मैड्रिड गेम में किसको स्टार्ट मिलती है, किसको नहीं, बट देन अगेन वो अगली वीडियो की बात है. So very happy. Do let me know in the comment section on how you felt about this game. Did you actually see the game? Did you actually feel the difference between the United game and this game in terms of the stadium atmosphere? Because Anfield made sure that they were setting the stage right up there. So yeah, this was the video, and I'm pretty sure you'll let me know your thoughts on the game in the comment section. And if you liked this video, let me know by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. I'll see you very, very shortly in the next one. Till then, take care.